Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an effect like this in a Canva in a minute. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Just add a new page and actually this background, this will be not good for me. That will be better, this blue. So go into the apps and searching for the TextArt. This application, I just open it, and the only problem with this application, as you can see, I have only 2 credits left today, and we get 3 credits in every day. So I already created this grass effect, so I have only 2 left. But actually the application is amazing, but the only problem is this limitation to doing 3 effects per day. But anyhow, this application is really valuable. So now I just text in Canva and just will be a water with waves, generate. And I'm just waiting until the AI creating my text effect. The only issue is we cannot even change the text, and this one is actually not bad. And as you can see, the text is coming with a solid background. And now the second one will be teacher. This will be a fire. I generate the second one also. Just wait until the AI generating my second text. As you can see, it's a really nice water text effect with so this one is not good enough. Somehow the T is already disappeared. Mentioned the 2 to 6 characters works best. 10 character is the maximum, and as you can see, this is only 7 and already doesn't fit in a page properly. But hey, this is a free tool. As you can see, actually the text is awesome. Both text is awesome. The only thing is that's too long and doesn't really fit on the page. And maybe we can fix this if I split the word like here and just typing first the first 4 letters, then creating it and the second 3 and separately. But now I do not even have more credits, so I have new credits in 23.5 hours, so I cannot try it now. But feel free to play with this application, which is called TextArt. And as you can see, the outcome is actually beautiful, but the limitations, first with the length of the words, is already something what I don't really like. Plus this 3 credit per day is not so much, but time to time we can use it if we would like to do some unique text effect. So this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please do not forget to click on this small like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.